British Prime Minister Theresa May and European leaders meet to keep alive her deal for Britain's withdrawal from the European Union. Talks between Yemen's government and the Houthi movement continue in Sweden. The two sides are exchanging lists of thousands of names for a possible prisoner exchange. The United States military has called off the search for 5 U.S. Marines involved in an air accident over Japanese waters. And Time magazine has named 4 individuals and 1 group as its Person of the Year. They include 2 Reuters reporters jailed in Myanmar and Saudi writer Jamal Khashoggi.